In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a Moen 1222 shower cartridge. As you can see, the shower head is non-stop dripping even with the valve off. The first thing you want to do is shut the water off to the house, or if there's an access panel behind this shower valve, then you can look and see if there's valves you can shut off there rather than the whole house. Next, you want to take off the handle with the Allen key. If you have the luck like I do, of course it'll be stripped and you'll have to cut off the handle instead. Now, obviously, we're going to be replacing this handle and faceplate. We're not going to be reinstalling this cut up handle, so if you're going to have to cut it off, make sure you get a replacement part for it. After the handle's off, you're going to see a screw. You want to take that out, which will take out all of the temperature control for the valve. Once that's removed, you can take off the faceplate, which exposes the cartridge in this holding clip. Hopefully you have a lot more luck than I do with getting this clip out. Sometimes they're a pain in the butt, but hopefully it's visible and you're able to just pull it right out. Put that to a side because you'll need it later. If you manage to lose that thing, you can always go to your local supply store and they usually have a big bag of them. Now, here comes the hardest part, actually removing the cartridge. Sometimes they're pretty easy, but if you have a cartridge puller tool like this, it makes the job a little bit easier, but you can always try and get it with channel locks. This actually took me about 5 minutes or so to actually get all the way out, so if it takes you some time, don't worry about it. I forgot to record this part, but make sure you look inside the valve body itself and there's no debris. You can actually clean it with a wire brush if need be. Now, if you get the actual Moen brand cartridge, it comes with a grease packet, and you can apply that on all of the rubber parts of the cartridge, and you can insert it. Make sure it's all the way in. Reinstall the clip that hopefully you didn't lose, and you can now start reinstalling the faceplate. Make sure you read the instructions on the cartridge. They explain to you how that brass rod should be facing before you reinstall the handle. Now you can reinstall the temperature control. If you have all of the tabs facing up and the black tab to the left, it will create max temperature for hot side. After that, turn the water back on to the faucet and start testing it out. If the hot and cold are reversed, you can always take apart the handle and flip that brass rod 180 degrees. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.